Hello students, today we are going to discuss very interesting chapter. You can see the heading of our chapter. It is Ice Cream Man. Yes, we all love ice cream. Have you ever think that why do I love ice cream? Yes, of course, we love ice cream because it is cold, it is sweet, it is enjoyable to eat. Yes, of course. So you can see here a lovely picture. You enjoy this picture because why you enjoy this picture also? Because there is an ice cream man gives ice cream to all childrens. Okay, so you can see here a vehicle. This is the vehicle that ice cream man gives ice cream from inside of this vehicle. So we call it as cart. You can see here an umbrella. Yes, ice cream man with an umbrella gives ice cream to the students. So this is ice cream. You can see the cream here. This is the cream. So we can see under the cream one other thing. What is it? It is the cone. Okay, so try to understand the word what we call cream, cone, and there is an ice cream man with his cart. Okay, it's a lovely picture. This girl definitely enjoys the ice cream because it is cold. And in which time we enjoy the ice cream mostly? Can you imagine? Yes, of course, it is at the summer we enjoy the ice cream because in summer it is very hot. So when we get the ice cream, we feel cold. So we can eat ice cream enjoying it. It is sweet to be cold at the hot time. Okay, then come to the lesson. So I will read it for you. So you read it carefully with good pronunciation. The pronunciation is very must for the students. Why? Because sometimes if we do not try pronunciate it correctly, it may change to something else. So read it carefully with good pronunciation. You read loudly after listening this lesson. Okay, so let's come to the chapter, our lovely chapter. What is cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. Yes, of course, ice cream man is your favorite person. Why? Because he gives you the ice cream, you enjoy the ice cream, it is cold, it is sweet to eat. That is why we love ice cream man. So let's come to the chapter. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round as thick as honey bees. Did you get the meaning of this poem? So some of you have gotten the meaning of this poem. So let's come to its meaning. When summer's in the city and brings a blaze of heat. What is a blaze of heat? You know the brick. The brick is a rectangular type, a hard thing. We try to we use it to build the buildings. Okay, that's a bricks. You know the meaning. You know the brick. You have heard a lot of times. Brick, a blaze of heat. At the summer, we see the flame, because when it is a very hot time, we see the flame. That is a blaze. I will give you the meaning in a definite way. Okay, blaze, you know the flame. Okay, blaze of heat. Why there is a blaze of heat? Because it is summer in the city. When it is a summer, if there is a summer, we know the summer is a hot season. Because of that, there is a blaze of heat. There is a hot. There is sun light becomes hot at the summer. What happens at the winter? It becomes cold. At the winter, we know there's a lot of rain, so we cool. We are cool at the winter, but in summer, we feel so many hot. So there's a blaze of heat. The ice cream man with his little cart. We just introduce you what is the cart. So there is an ice cream man in this picture with his cart. Can you see the cart? Yes, of course. The ice cream man here is with his cart, goes trundling down the street. Trundling down the street. He is moving on the street, down to the street. Why he is going to the street? Because he wants to attract the children. He wants to attract the people at the summer season with his ice cream beneath his round umbrella. So I have shown you the umbrella here. You can see umbrella. Yes, here is the umbrella. So he is beneath his umbrella. Beneath the umbrella, beneath his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight. It's lovely sight to see. Yes, of course it's lovely, because ice cream man gives ice cream to the children. Ice cream is cold, sweet and creamy. So it's a lovely picture to see him fill the cones with mounds. This is the cone, okay, with mounds. What is the meaning of mounds? You can see here heap and pile. Mound means heap or pile, okay, of cooling brown and white, with the color brown and white. So ice cream man is the filling the cones with mounds of cream, okay, that is cooling with the color of brown and white. So here is different ice creams. We can see different ice cream here with different flavors. What is it? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. You may have eaten the ice cream with vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chilly things to drink. These things are chilly things, enjoyable things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz. Green, orange, white or pink. His cart might be a flower bird. of roses. His cart, his vehicle, might be flower of bed with lovely flowers. What is the flower here? Here's a flower. The poet here brought the flower as an imagination of the ice cream flower bed of roses and sweet peas. You know the peas. So here the cart might be with flower bed of roses. It is a there are so many ice creams with the color of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster round as thick as honeybees. The cluster means crowd around the ice cream man as thick as honeybees. Honeybees, you know the honeybees. So they cluster around together. So when the children see the ice cream, they also crowd around that ice cream man because they love ice cream, because it is enjoyable. You can see the meaning that sometimes you may not be able to understand this meaning, so you can see the meaning here. Blaze meaning bright flame or fire. Trundling means moving on small broad wheels. Mounds mean heap, pile. Frosty fish mean chilled drink. Oh, here we have said about the frosty fizz, chilly things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz. So frosty fizz means a chilled drink with bubbling sound. So you drink the ice cream with bubbling sound. You can hear the sound. That's a bubbling sound. We eat the ice cream. That's a lovely sound. This is the meaning of frosty fizz. Okay, it's a chilled drink with bubbling sound. These kinds of drink. Okay, so you must write the meaning of these words: blaze, bright flame or fire; trundling, moving on small broad wheels; mounds mean heap or pile; frosty fish, chilled drink making a hissing bubbling sound; cluster, gather around, group of similar things. Gather around is the meaning of the cluster as a verb, or it is a group of similar things. So I will give you some question after this lesson, so you have to answer for that. I think you have enjoyed this chapter and try to answer my question. Okay, see you again. Have a good day, students.